how to fix Gmail not receiving emails. This tutorial will show you the best ways to fix the problem quickly. First, open Gmail on your computer and click on the Google Apps icon in the top right corner. After that, open Google Drive. Now, from the left side, click on Storage. Here you can check how much Google storage you've used across Gmail, Google Photos, and Drive. If your 15 gigabyte storage is completely full, Gmail may stop receiving new emails. In that case, simply delete unnecessary files, photos, or large emails to free up some space. Next, go back to Gmail and scroll down from the left sidebar. Click on More, then open All Mail and Spam folders. Sometimes emails, especially verification emails or important messages, may not appear in the main inbox and can automatically move to spam or all mail. After that, click on the settings icon in the top right corner and select All Settings. Now open Filters and Blocked Addresses. If you see any filters that automatically archive, delete, or block emails, remove them. Then go to Forwarding and Pop-Hump settings and make sure email forwarding is disabled if you're not using it. If you're still not receiving a specific verification email, the issue may actually be from the service provider and not Gmail itself. In that case, wait a few minutes and try requesting the email again. So that's how you can fix Gmail not receiving emails easily.